Okay, what we are doing here is to create the pixel art version for this background. Okay, so that it will suit the game better. Okay, so here, one. Okay, let's use this brown to mark the edge first. And we can duplicate it. Okay, we can duplicate all of them and flip them horizontally and move them to the right edge. Okay, which is over here. Okay, and now we can create the top edge. Okay, and now we have the outline for the background. So we can duplicate all of them and merge the duplicated layer. Okay, so the rest of the layers will be the backup. Okay, well, we'll use this as the new outline. Okay, so this is what you might see in the game. Okay, but let's see if we can make a better notification. Okay, by doing this. Okay, so now the pixels look more obvious. Okay, we can even do something like this. So that the whole thing looks more obvious. Okay, let's try a 4x4 squarish edge. Okay, so let's duplicate this as well and bring it to the right edge. Okay, similar to what we have done just now. Okay, just checking OBS. Alright, so now we can create a top edge. And using this top edge, we will duplicate it and you bring it down. Okay, so now this is what you will see. When you get the notification that you have unlocked Row, who is the second character. Okay, so now we need to fill up the outline, which is why we have made backup copies of the layers. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm doing, okay, this is something that needs to be done before filling up the empty space within. Okay, now this will serve as the background. So what we'll do next is okay, we'll paint it with the actual color that we want. Alright. And we'll set the transparency to okay, maybe 80%. Okay, lastly we'll create a new file to save for the background. Okay, this is not big enough. Okay, let's try 420 and 60. Okay, this is too big. Let's try 460. Okay, we'll save this in the main scene folder and we'll call it notify underscore unlock row. Oh wait. Okay, let's call it notify underscore unlock row bg. Okay, bg stands for background. Okay, next we'll go back to Photoshop. Next we'll go back to Illustrator. Okay, and we'll create a new image, a new file. And what we'll do here is we'll use this new image to put the words over here. Okay, so this is what you will see in the game. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, notify underscore unlock row. Okay, let's export this. Okay, so this is the exported image. Okay, using this exported image, we will add it to the game. Okay, so we'll create a new folder called achievements, okay, which we'll use in the future for any sort of achievement sprites. Okay, so let's go back to Unity. Okay, so over here we have our new imported image. Okay, so we'll make this image appear when you have defeated the first boss. Okay, to do so, first we'll need to create a clone of the object, by dragging and dropping it to the scene over here. Okay, we'll change the order in layer to 5 so that it will appear over everything. Hey Jiggle, welcome to the White Sponge livestream. How is your day coming along? Okay, right now we are adding a notification to the game which tells you that you have unlocked a new character. Okay, in a way, it can be considered an achievement. Okay, so we are creating new folders called achievements. Okay, so this is the notification that you will see when you defeat the first boss. Okay, we'll create a simple appearing animation for this achievement. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, first thing first. Okay, we need to add an animator to it. And we'll need to create a new animator controller for it. Okay, and we'll drag and drop the animator over here. And over here we'll create a new trigger, which we will set to trigger off the animation. Okay, so let's call it if appear. Okay, so this is the default state, which is what you see now. Okay, but we'll create a new clip where we'll make it appear. So it's a one-way direction, and if appear is set, it will go to the appear animation. So over here, the first thing is that we'll set the scale to 1.2 and 1.2 and 1.2. Okay, and over here we are trying to create a bouncy appearance in regards to its scale. So it will go to maybe 0.7, 0.7, and 0.7. And back to 0.1, 1.0. 1, 1, and 1. Oh wait. Okay, so it should go to 1.2, 0.2, and 1.2. And lastly, go back to 1.0. Okay, so let's see it in action. Alright. Okay, now let's drag and drop back it to the prefab. Okay, and let's go to our animations folder. Oh, okay, so this should be, both of this should be over here instead. Okay, let's remove the loop time so that it doesn't loop. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to go back to the script in Unity. And add the notification to make it appear. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff over here. So the place where you unlock the second character is over here. So from here we will call the notification to appear. Okay, but before that, there's one thing that we need to do, and that is to create a new manager and call it achievement or achievements manager. Okay, so this is what will manage all of the game's achievements. So the first achievement will be unlocking the second playable character. Okay, let's put it right